So, broke down again at the weekend, and I just ended up with no spark. This was the coil that was on the car at the time, and I had this one in the boot, luckily. I undid the spark plug. This spark plug had it earthed against one of these bolts, and then I used the manual solenoid, pushing the solenoid there to try and start it, and I got spark there. So I knew once I'd replaced this that was the problem. This one today, I'm having a look at the resistance of it, and I'm getting nothing at all. Oh, okay, a tiny bit. Oh, it's in the mega ohm range, so that's not very happy at all. If I go to the one that I replaced it with, it's currently showing 11.6 ohms, which doesn't seem right, but it's working. This is a random one that I had kicking around that was on the car at some point in the past, and this one actually does read, when it wants to, exactly 3 ohms. So this is doing what it's supposed to do, as advertised, I'm pretty sure. This one, I don't know, it's a bit strange, but obviously it works, so, and it has worked. So anyway, I'm going to perhaps try taking the lid off this and see if I can see if there's some kind of split. I can hear it's full of, I believe it's full of oil, so have a go, see what's inside. Take these terminals off first. This looks like it's kind of some kind of lip over the top. See if I can get a screwdriver under there. Ooh, it's making a fizzing noise. I don't think I need these, but better safe than sorry. Oh, bunny. Okay, so we have that doesn't look right. Oh, I've probably snapped that off when I pulled it up. One connection there. We've got 2 wires to this one, which is the positive. This looks to be some kind of central. Let me get some pliers. Dribbling out like oil, so it does sound to be oil. And that's the coil. It looks to be definitely with two connectors at the positive and a single at the negative. I mean, unless that came disconnected at the top before I pulled it off. That could explain why it's not reading any continuity. That's the central bit, so I'm assuming that must be where the voltage is induced into that. It goes out there, which connects to the central spark plug lead to take it to the distributor. It's all a bit messy. I might have a go at burning off some of the coating on this wire and then see if I can get see if it conducts. If it does, then it could be a case that was the problem, that it came off there. I'll have a go. Okay, so 2.9 ohms. So that looks to have been the cause. That seems to work perfectly now. Try and do the second wire as well. I mean, it was open circuit, so I don't imagine that this secondary wire I'm assuming this is for this wire must be for the secondary coil. It looks thinner, but I imagine there's more turnings on this to get the higher voltage. Yeah, still got 2.8. So it looks to me as if that connector has just come off. Those two wires have come off this, because this one is even though I've had the cap off, it's still, you know, it's not particularly hard. It's not fallen off, and I wasn't particularly violent to get to. I just gently pulled it up. So I think that was the cause of the failure. Which doesn't. I can't fix it. I can't put that back on. It's a bit rubbish. Never mind. They're not that expensive. I'll just get another Power Spark one. That one's given weird readings, but it works fine. I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure why it's like that. Never mind.